Hi students, welcome to VIJETHA Study Circle. Today we are going to discuss the coding and decoding topic. This is the second video. Coming to the question number 4. If globe is coded as HKPAF, then how is world coded as? So globe is coded as HKPAF. So what is G here? G means 7. L means 12, O means 15, B means 2, E means 5, H means 8, K means 11, P means 16, A means 1, F means 6. Now here G means 7. 7 here first letter is 8. 7 plus 1 8. Here second letter is L. Here second letter is K. 12 11. It is decreasing. That is 12 minus 1 is 11. Next third letter is 15. Here third letter is 16. 15 plus 1 is 16. Next B. B is 2. Here A is 1. Next minus 1. 5 6 last letter. That is 5 plus 1 is 6. So the code is going from left to right. The logic is going from left to right. The same we need to do here. Every letter it should be plus minus plus minus plus. So what is W? It is 23. O is 15. R is 18. L is 12. D is 4. From left to right we need to code it. So 23 plus 1 24. 24 is X. 15 minus 1 14. 14 means N. Third letter is R. 18 plus 1 19 means S. Next fourth 12 minus 1 11. 11 means K. 4 plus 1 that is 5. 5 means E. 5 means E. So answer is X N S K E. Question number 5. If basic is coded as DDULE, so basic. So B is 2. Here D is 4. So 2 plus 2 is 4. First letter. Next second letter is 1 here. Here second letter is 4. So 1 plus 3 is 4. Next here it is 19. Here it is 21. So 19 plus 2 is 21. Next here I is 9. L is 12. That is 9 plus 3. Next C is 3. E is 5. That is 3 plus 2 5. The logic is plus 2 plus 3 from left hand side. So plus 2 plus 3. That is plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 from left to right. So here L is 12. 12 plus 2 that is 14. 14 means N. Next 5. 5 plus 3 that is 8. 8 means H. Next 1 plus 2 that is 3. 3 means C. Next D is 4. 4 plus 3 that is 7. 7 means G. 5 plus 2 7 that is G. Next R is 18. 18 plus 3 that is 21. Going for the question number 6. If ICECREAM is coded as LZDQBDBH, How is SUQS coded in that language? Now look at here. Here I is 9, L is 12. Next C is C is 3. Next Z is 26. Next E is 5. D is 4. D is 4. So here if I start from starting 9, 12, that is 9 plus 3 is 12. 3 Z. So 3 minus 3 is Z. Third letter 5, 4 it is. 5 minus 1. So logic is not getting. From left we are not getting. So checking from the right hand side. Here 13 is there. Here 12 is there. So 13 minus 1 is 12. Here 1 is there. Here Z is there. A Z. 1 26. That is 1 minus 1 is 26. Next E is there. 5. D is 4. That is E minus 1 is 4. R minus 1 is Q. C minus 1 is B. E minus 1 is D. C minus 1 is B. I minus 1 is H. So code is coming from the right hand side. Code is coming from the right hand side. So here from right hand side it is every time minus 1. S is 19. 19 minus 1 is 18. Next 16 minus 1 is 15. 15 minus 1 is 14. Next again 15 minus 1 is 14. C is 3. 3 minus 1 is B. Next S. S minus 1. S minus 1, that is P. RONNBP is the answer. So in this question, if we are going from left hand side, we are not getting the code. If I go from like this, ICECREAM ice cream is coded as LZDQBDBH it is. See here it is 9, it is 12. If I am going from the left hand side, 9 12 means it is 9 plus 3 is 12. Next second letter is 3 here. Here second letter is 26. 3 minus 3 is Z. That is C is 3. Next letter is B. Previous letter is A. Here it is Z. That is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Means C minus 3 means Z it is. SZ. Next third letter it is 5. Here third letter is 4. So E minus 1 is 4. Next fourth letter is 3. Fourth letter here is 17. So 317 means if I go in front 3 plus 14 I need to add. Reverse also I need to go more. That is minus 9 I need to go. Minus 9 minus 12 I need to go. So here it is not getting plus 3 minus 1 something plus or minus 14 13 we are getting. So it is not getting in order. So from left hand side it is not getting. That's why we are checking here from the right hand side. We are checking here from the right hand side. That is from here we are considering the logic. If we are not getting the logic from left hand side, we need to consider the logic from right hand side. Next, if Amaravati is coded as GRYTYPYKY, how is Hyderabad coded in that language? Amaravati is coded as GRYTYPYKY. GRYTYPYKY. Now here see 1, here it is 7, here it is 13, here it is 18, here it is 1, here it is 25, here it is 18, here it is 20. So if I go from front, 1 7 plus 6, 13 plus 5 is 18, plus 6 plus 5, 125. 125 means 1 minus 2 it will be. So we are not getting. Come from the right hand side. 9 is here. 9, here 7. That is 9 minus 2 is 7. Here 20 is there. 20, here 18 is there. 20 minus 2 is 18. Here 1 is there. Here 25 is there. A is 1. Before 8 is Z. Before that it is Y. 1 minus 2 means minus 1 minus 2. That is Y. So A minus 2. A minus 2 is Y. So we are getting the logic from right hand side. Every time it should be minus 2 minus 2. So from here it is minus 2 from the right hand side. So that is D. 4 minus 2. That is 2. B. 1. 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 that is Y. B minus 2 that is Z. A minus 2 that is Y. R minus 2 that is P. E minus 2 that is C. D minus 2 that is B. Y minus 2. Y is 25. 25 minus 2. 23. That is 23. W. H minus 2 that is P. So this is the answer. From right hand side we are getting. From left hand side we are not getting the logic. From right hand side we are getting the logic. From left hand side what we are getting, that is logic is 1 7 means plus 6, like that we are getting. So we are not getting from the left hand side, we are getting from the right hand side. If Delhi can be coded as CCIDD, how would you code Bombay? Delhi is coded as CCIDD. Now see here, D is 4, C is 3 here. That is 4 minus 1 is 3. Next letter is 5. Next letter is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. 12. 9. 12, 9. 12 minus 3 is 9. Next H is 8. Here D is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Next I is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. So the logic is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So from the left hand side it should be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. B is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. O is 15. 15 minus 2 is 13. M is 13. 13 minus 3 is 10. B is 2. 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 is X. 1 minus 5. 1 minus 5 is 22. Y is 25. 25 minus 6, that is 19. A, M, J, X, V, S is the answer. So the logic is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6. Next, if truth is written as SUQSTVSUGI, how is false written in the language? Now here number of letters are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters are here on the left hand side. On the right hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 letters are here on the right hand side. Here 5 letters, here 10 letters. What is the meaning that if here 5 letters are there, here 10 letters are there, means every letter is coded 2 times here. So consider the first letter, that is 20. T is 20. 20. Here what are the first two letters? 19 is there, 21 is there. First two letters. I am considering first two letters. 20 minus 1 is 19. 20 plus 1 is 21. So we are getting the first two letters. So on the first letter, if we apply minus 1 once, we are getting the first letter. Again we are applying plus 1, we are getting next letter. Again apply minus 1 plus 1 on the second letter. R minus 1, that is Q. R plus 1, that is S. So again minus 1 plus 1. Next again minus 1 plus 1. On every letter minus 1 plus 1 we need to apply. So here also minus 1 once plus 1. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 means E. 6 plus 1, that is 7. Next A is minus 1 plus 1. A minus 1, that is Z. A plus 1, that is B. Next L minus 1 is K. L plus 1 is 13. S minus 1 is 18. S plus 1 is 20. E minus 1 is D. E plus 1 is F. So for every letter, two letters are coded here. For every letter, two letters are coded. If poetry is coded as QONDSQX, then how is over coded as? Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters are here on the left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 letters on the right hand side. So 6 letters here, 7 letters here, means at least one letter should be coded 2 times here. That's why we are getting one extra letter on the right hand side. So that extra letter, mostly it will be from first letter or last letter. Let us consider whether it is first or last. P is 16. Here Q is 17. O is 15. P is 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 16 minus 1 is 15. So first two letters are for the first letter. Next O. O is 15. Here N is 14. 15 minus 1 is 14. Next E is 5. D is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. So every letter it should be minus from the left hand side. For only first letter it is plus and minus. For every other letter it is minus 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 from the left hand side. So it is 15. 15 plus 1 it is 16. 15 minus 1 it is 14. Next 22 minus 1 it is 21. 5 minus 1 it is 4. 18 minus 1 it is 17. So answer is PNUDQ. Answer is PNUDQ.